In the automotive, industrial and medical industries, engineers are required to use a variety of specialized tools to perform complex tasks on a daily basis. These tools not only enhance work efficiency, but also ensure work precision and safety. As a professional electronic component supplier, we not only provide high-quality components, but also some of the most common tools used by engineers to help them easily deal with various challenges. What tools are commonly used by engineers in their work? Anti-static tools. Static electricity is an engineer's worst enemy during the repair of electronic equipment and circuits. Static electricity can damage sensitive electronic components, especially during the manufacture or repair of automotive and medical equipment. Anti-static tools, such as anti-static bracelet gloves, anti-static mats, and anti-static brushes, can effectively reduce the impact of static electricity on equipment and protect circuits from damage. Soldering tools. Soldering is an indispensable skill in the assembly and repair of electronic equipment, especially in the maintenance of circuits in automotive electronics, industrial equipment, and medical devices. High-quality soldering tools, such as soldering iron, soldering station, soldering wire, temperature-controlled soldering station, etc., can help engineers to complete the precise soldering to ensure the stability of the circuit. Hydraulic tools. Hydraulic tools are mainly used in applications that require a strong output, such as disassembling and assembling automotive parts or industrial machinery. With the stability and efficiency of the hydraulic system, they can easily handle complex assembly and disassembly work. Commonly used hydraulic tools such as pressure gauges, hydraulic shear pliers, hydraulic pulling horses, and so on. Explosion-proof tools. Explosion-proof tools are essential in high-risk situations such as chemical plants, oil extraction, and medical equipment maintenance. They are made of special materials and can be used safely in flammable and explosive environments to prevent explosions caused by sparks or static electricity. Commonly used hydraulic tools such as explosion-proof hammers, explosion-proof wrenches, and explosion-proof pry bars. Why choose ICHOME? As a deep-rooted supplier in the electronic components industry, we not only understand the needs of our customers for electronic products, but we are also committed to providing high-quality, reliable tools for engineers. Our tools are designed for application scenarios in the automotive, industrial and medical industries to ensure durability and safety. Whether you're an automotive engineer, an industrial technician, or a medical device maintenance specialist, we have the tools you need to help you do your job better and more efficiently. Contact us today for more information on tools for engineers.